Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. Today I would like to show you the Android screen for BMW 5 Series F07 and GT. This model is new model, new design for the F07 and GT. It's 10.25 inch touchscreen and it's anti-reflection screen. Okay, now let's take a look how it works. Navigation, communication is Bluetooth, and this is the music, video, and car info dashboard. And here, this is the app menu. You can download and install a lot of apps here. Now let's take a look one by one. Navigation. You can install Google Maps, Waze, Citric, iGo, and many others in this map. It supports online and offline map. It also supports 3D and 2D map. Okay, next. Communication is Bluetooth. After you connect the Bluetooth, you can use the Bluetooth music here, and also can download the contacts here, iPad here. Okay, next, music. You can play the music from SD card, USB, or internal memory. Okay, next, video. Here, video. It can full screen. Here. And it supports PIP functions. It means picture in picture. So when you use navigation, it can show the video windows here. Okay. Next. Car info. When you click car info, it will get into the original menu. This is CIC, so it shows the CIC menu. All original functions work as before: radio, CD, and many others. All here. Okay. When you back to the Android screen, you just touch the screen, then will be fine. Dashboard. It has 3 modes for the dashboard: Eco Pro, yeah, and Comfort Pro, and Sport mode, yeah. Very cool. Apps. That you can install a lot of apps here in this menu. For example, Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, and many others. Settings. Here, section setting. Camera setting, brightness. Navigation. You can choose one of maps as default maps. And when you click here, it will get into the map you like. And boring here, south here, language, a lot of language here. System information here. And factory, the password is okay. I've get into the factory here. There's some setting, Bluetooth setting. For example, if you want to use the original Bluetooth, you should choose this one here. Vehicle, here In this menu, you choose the car type for your car. Here you can see ID6, ID7, ID5. Put logo here. Okay, thank you.